So, traders, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, and as you guys have already read the topic, all I'm just gonna tell you guys is this will be the only reversal pattern that you need to master in order to make it out in trading. So, me, based on saying this, it's all because I am about to share to you guys what these traders don't want you to know and what these brokers pray you guys don't understand, because this is the only gateway to being a profitable trader if you understand what I am about to share on today's video. But before we proceed to the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are all aware, we're having a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I have my Telegram link, my WhatsApp link, my Instagram link, and my WhatsApp number, my call number down there. So you can choose which do you want to prefer to communicate with me so I can come to you for 2 days and train your trading for the call and the bed. But like I've said, this is the only reversal pattern that you need to master in order to make it out in trading. This is based on me saying this because I am about to reveal and expose the secrets and all the knowledge that you need and the gems that you need so you can master trading reversal patterns. So as you guys can clearly see that this is USDCAD on the hourly time frame. And if I have to draw why am I saying what I said, you can clearly see that price has this push to the downside and price had this push back and this pull back to the upside. And then price had a continuation push to the downside and then price had a pull back to the upside. Price gave us a continuation to the downside and price gave us an impulsive push to the upside. And then we had in the word a pullback to the downside and then price gave us a continuation push to the upside. So before I share the knowledge to you guys, I need you guys to understand that price was in a downtrend, right? Price has been creating lower lows and creating lower highs, creating lower lows, creating lower highs, until price created this lowest point that gave us this high. And from this high, price gave us this low, right? So as you guys can clearly understand that this was a downtrend, right? Price has been creating lower lows and creating lower highs until price gave us the lowest point in the markets, and then price had an impulsive push to the upside, right? So with this impulsive push to the upside, price gave us a what? An impulsive a pullback to the downside. So from this pullback to the downside, there were two reasons that you traders need to put your money to work on. One of the first is based on how price is looking. You can clearly see that this is a lower low, right? And this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. So from this impulsive push, price had a push to the upside, violating below, violating above our previous lower low, and holding above our previous lower high. So from violating our lower low and trading above our previous lower high, that will give you an indication that price is in a possible reversal to the upside, because price has been having a bear move to the downside, creating lower lows and lower highs, and then price had a what? A push to the upside, which gave us a lower high, which gave us a higher low, right? And a higher high, which gave us a higher high and a higher low. So as you guys can clearly understand that how price has been looking, you guys might clearly understand that this was some type of resistance that price has been creating, right? So from price giving us this reaction and price coming back again, giving us a reaction, right? You can clearly see that from that reaction, price couldn't hold any bear move to the downside, but gave us what? Bullish momentum to the upside. And what happened from there? Price gave us a violation of that resistance. So coming back into the chart, you can clearly see that this was our lower low and this was our lower high. And then price gave us a push, giving us a lower low, and a push, giving us a lower high, and a push, giving us this lowest point. So from the lowest point, price had a push to the upside, reacting to what? Reacting to our previous lower high. So from reacting to our previous lower high, price gave us a what? A break above our what? Our previous lower low. So from a break above our previous lower low, that's when we had an indication that if we are looking to put our money to work on USD CAD, price has to do it. Price has to close above our resistance, which is our neckline. And as you can clearly look at it, price gave us a close above. And then from there, price gave us bullish momentum above that very same zone. So as I share this to you guys, I know that this will need you to put in the work, and to not only put in the work, but to practically put in the work. Because how you trade an inverted head and shoulders is not very hard, but it's only based on you having to understand where is your head, where is your left shoulder, and where is your right shoulder, right? And that's all that you're gonna need as a trader. And then you can clearly look at what I'm throwing to you guys. This is exactly what we have anticipated. Price gave us a shoulder. Price gave us a left shoulder, which is our lower low, and Price gave us a push to the upside, giving us a lower high, and a push to the downside, giving us a head formation. So, from with a head formation, we have anticipated that there's a possibility that we might look for the word for a lower high before looking for new lower lows. But Price gave us a push to the upside, giving us a reaction on our word on our previous lower high, right? So from a reaction on our previous lower high, Price gave us a push to the downside. So from this push to the downside, Price couldn't hold any bear strength. And so from Price giving us that bear depletion and the bullish momentum, Price gave us a right shoulder formation, and from us having to put our money to work was simply us having to wait for Price trading above that very same neckline so we can put our money to work and have a clean move to the upside. And then you can clearly look at it. Price played out as we have anticipated, and that's all that we were looking for. So I repeat, this is the only reversal pattern that you need in order to succeed in trading. There are many reversal patterns that you can use, which is a head and shoulders, and this one is an inverted head and shoulders. But you can also use a wood, a why am I just went blank when I'm about to share those to you guys. But like I said, you can use a head and shoulders or an inverted head and shoulders, and there are a few other reversal patterns that you can use. But I'm only sharing to you guys. I'm only sharing to you guys what I have mastered and what I am sharing to you guys based on what I have revealed and exposed, because it's not hard trading a reversal head and shoulders. It's only based on you having to know when is it the right time to put your money to work. And as you can clearly look at this, the right time was only if Price trades above our neckline slash resistance, and that's all we were looking for. But without further ado, I hope you gained the knowledge and I hope you got the value from this video. If you did, all I ask of you is to share the video to someone else, click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment in the video, and to most of all, subscribe to the COT Academy in the mentorship courses. So it can change your life for the good and the better. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.